Hello class 6, I am Ashok, your English teacher present with a new video for you. Today I will discuss the third poem of the book Honeysuckle. The title of the poem is The Quail and it is written by Eleanor Farjeon. Today I will start the discussion with certain objectives which I want you to gain after reading this poem. So first objective is to make the student understand that a quarrel with anyone should not be carried on for long and it should never turn violent. So I want this thing from you people to do. To instill in the young minds the value of maintaining friendly relations with all, especially among brothers and sisters. So this is second objective, and I want you to learn the value of maintaining friendly relations with all, especially among brothers and sisters. To make the students enjoy reading a poem with proper stress and intonation and encourage them to write a poem on human relationships, loving, caring and sharing. So this is the third objective which I want you to fulfill after reading this poem. This is the summary. It is common for brothers and sisters in a family to quarrel. They may not be able to say they are quarreling. Such quarrels do not last long and the siblings become friendly once again. Generally, brothers and sisters quarrel with each other. It is very common situation. Many a times they quarrel with each other without any reason. Their quarrels begin over very small petty issues, and how with a small kind act the quarrels end. It is very mystic and beautiful. So let us read the poem to feel the same. I quarreled with my brother. So poetess says here that once she quarreled with her brother. I don't know what about. So she don't know even what was the reason of the fight. Why did they fight? She don't know. One thing led to another. The fight was happening because of a series of things. One thing was giving way to another, and in this way they started fight. And somehow we fell out. Fell out means they started to fight with each other for some reasons. The start of it was slight. So the beginning of the fight was slight. Slight means very small. The end of it was strong. So and the end of the fight was very strong or serious. They end the fight on a sad note and separate from each other. He said he was right. So they were fighting and saying that he was right. Means poetess brother says that he was right and she was wrong. I knew he was wrong, but poetess says that she was aware of the fact that he himself was wrong, not she. We hated one another. After the fight, they started to hate each other. The afternoon turned black. Turned black means to become unpleasant. So because of the fight they separate from each other and they didn't share anything with each other and they don't utter a single word to each other. So their afternoon turned black. It was not pleasant as they used to have. Then suddenly my brother. Then what happens? Her brother suddenly came to her, thumped her on the back. Thumped means patted on her back and said, "Oh, come along." He offered to come along means wanted to have her company. We can't go on all night. He said that they should not continue their fight throughout the night. They should share the things with each other. And after that, the poetess realized that she was in the wrong and her brother was in the right. So this is the poem. Now see, certain activities are there which you have to go through. This is assignment part 1. Complete the following sentences by giving suitable responses. The beginning of the quarrel between the brother and sister was, so which word should be here? You may know, but I will tell you. The beginning of the quarrel between the brother and sister was slight, but the end was strong. They hated one another. The afternoon was gloomy and sad because they started to hate and hold each other the guilty of fight. The quarrel came to an end when Foyt's brother patted on her shoulder and said not to spoil the time in useless quarrels. So in this way, these words or phrases you can use to fill in the blanks. Assignments part 2. Pick out the rhyming words from the poem. So there are certain words which are rhymed with these words. So I will tell you. Brother is rhymed with the word another. About is rhymed with fell out. Slight is rhymed with right. Strong is rhymed with wrong. Black is rhymed with back. Along is rhymed with wrong. Night is rhymed with right. So you can find these words also in the book or in the poem, you can say. Next activity, that is tutorials and solutions. Mark the right item. So you have to mark the right item. The poet quarreled with her. 3 options are there: elder sister, brother, friend. So as the poem is read by us, we can say that to brother, that is V part, is correct one. The poet and her brother loved, disliked, hated. So hated word is used there by the poet, so we can pick up this one. This one is the right one. Questions and answers. Answer the following questions. How was the start of the quarrel? These are textual questions which I will tell you. But one question is there, that is D, which you have to do yourself because it is based on your personal experience, so I cannot answer this. So first question is, how was the start of the quarrel? So the start of the fight or the quarrel was very slight, it was very small. How was the end of the quarrel? The end of the quarrel was very strong or serious, and they stopped the fight with a sad note. Explain the meaning of the underlined phrases. Fell out, I have already told you that fell out means beginning of something, and here the fight was fell out between brother and sister. Turned black means unpleasant. So after the fight, their afternoon turned black. A D part is to be answered by you. So this is homework for you. See, one more activity is there, and this is glossary. Match the lines from the poem under column A with their meaning under column B. One thing led to another. This is to be matched with the C. Disagreement one after another. The start of it was slight. It is matched with the D. Quarrel over small matter. The end of it was strong. It is matched with the A. Both believed wrongly that she only was right. The afternoon turned black. Time spent in wings sad and gloomy. This can be matched with this E. Thumped me on the back. to hit on the back in friendliness. So in this way you can match in your notebooks. And reference books are NCERT textbook for class 6 Honeysuckle. Thank you. That's all for today. Have a nice day.